What's up, guys? Welcome back to Raceback. First day back, and we're already gonna mod the Viper. We're actually gonna paint the brake calipers red and the wheels black, I think. I don't know, this car's gonna be all black and red, so might as well get that done. But yeah, we're gonna go over to Beto's shop right now, and we'll see you guys over there. Well, we're here at New Year now. Gonna go ahead and get the wheels powder-coated gloss black and the brakes gloss red. Gonna leave the center capsule with him because he needs to take his time on that, but he's gonna inlay this stuff red, the Viper logo, so that'll be pretty sick. But yeah, pretty excited. Gonna pick up the car today actually, so it'll be dope. Oh, there it is, looks really good. It's gonna look dope with the powder coated wheels and such. Super excited. How do you guys feel about the heat extractors now that they're gone? A lot of people do this at the track, but I don't know about the street, you know? Alright guys, so the wheels are off. It's ready to get everything masked off, to get the powder, the brakes painted red. Everything looks nice and clean. Of course, it only has 3,000 miles, so to be expected, right? But yeah, it's pretty cool. What's gonna happen next is they're gonna mask everything off. They're gonna paint the calipers, just like this G-Wagon out here. Basically what's gonna happen. Can't wait, super excited, it's gonna look real good. And yeah, then off we go. I'm gonna go to the office so you guys won't see the rest of the process while I'm showing you this, but yeah. Freaking Renee's gonna hold on to the center cups. He's gonna paint the snake red. Oh. Hell yeah. Alright guys, the Vibe has been updated. It actually looks like it's higher off the ground with these. But it also did just literally get dropped back, you know, from being lifted. But hell yeah, this looks good. No center caps for now, obviously, but that'll get fixed. Looks good. I really like that. Heck yeah. Yo, looks like our boy Beto's ready to go cruising to the beach with his girls, eh? These are crazy. Look at the attention to detail on them. Yeah, New Year, any of your powder coating, caliper needs, they can get it taken care of. Super quick, you know. Very excited about it. So hit him up, and yeah, we'll get the car out of here and get going home. Well, guys, the video's not over because our door sills just came in, so we're gonna install them. Already unbolted the stuff. It just goes right on. This car didn't come with the door sills, but they're only 80 bucks for OEM ones, so we're gonna throw them on. That way the chicas can burn themselves when they get out of the car. I'm not liable for that.